Did you see him just spin that around like that?
Yeah, that was great.
I don't know how many logs to put on.
Well, you see those 4 pins that are sticking up?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you can go much higher than those.
Is there a weight on there? Does the
yeah,
trucker
but
have a weight thing to say, well...
Yeah, but they ignore it and avoid the weight of the way stations and stuff. I've seen them many times taking routes that would avoid the way stations.
You can tell that guy's been doing that a long time.
Yeah, sure looks like it, doesn't it?
He handled them logs like the toothpicks.
Lincoln Logs. I'm gonna guess 3 more logs.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. 3.
And this will be 1.
That's a pretty big log. It's like that machine, that game. He's like, watch logs.
Oh, he's got 2. There he goes. No. He's got 2 on purpose. Just moving them to the side.
Maybe he's only going to put one more log up there.
No,
No?
there's a pretty big. He's got a pretty good cavity built in the middle there. It'll hold at least 2 more after that one. I'm pretty sure that logger gets paid by the pound.
What do you mean?
Well, if he's an independent, he gets paid by the pound on the delivery. So he wants
The truck driver?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so he wants the weight.
So he wants that weight, yeah, because he knows his truck can handle more than the roads can over time. But if he works for the company, who knows, he could be on a salary, he could be paid by the hour, could be paid by the mile. But I'll have to look that up. Oh man, he looks like he might be making room for more. Holy cow, no way.
He can't put much more on that one. The sides are pretty.
1 or 2. He had one slide down.
I know, I've seen that. I get back here.
Okay, this might be a key piece. He's going for a big one. Yeah, he's going for that big one on the bottom, and the weight of that will hold all the smaller ones down.
Watch for all them ones.
See, yeah, I think he's after that big one. Oh, maybe not. Oh, he might be making a pass so that he can get the fuck out of our way. I wonder where that truck driver has to turn around and back up at.
He probably just goes straight. Right, Elby.
No, I know. I meant in order for him to get in that position.
I wonder if he has to go all the way down maybe to that picnic area. How far was that down? That was a while.
That was a while back. Yeah, no, there was probably a turnaround up here for him. Hell, when it's empty, I have no doubt that rig could pick it up and turn it around. Oh, there's the driver. I just saw a glimpse. Yep, he's apparently just hopped in his rig or hopped out.
Must be done. Yep.
He can't possibly
He's
want
getting
to
in
put
his
that
truck
one.
right now.
Oh, he's leaving.
Yep. That's what it must he be doing, maybe making a way so he can.
I think he's clearing a path.
Maybe he's gonna pull right here.